Hey everyone, this is Erica from Oakslap, and today I have one of our amazing tech leads, Ugur, here with me. He's going to be sharing with us a little bit about his story and the reasons why he joined the company. Welcome, Ugur.
Hello, Erica. Thanks for having me here today.
Perfect, thank you so much. So what we're going to start with, a few rapid fire questions.
Okay.
You were not ready for this, Ugur, are you?
I have no idea.
All right.
I'm nervous.
Okay, let's go. They're going to be easy on you,
Okay, hopefully.
So the first one is coffee or tea?
Depends, but coffee.
All right. Second one, are you a morning bird or rather a night owl?
Morning bird, definitely.
iOS or Android?
iOS.
I knew that answer. The fourth one is your favorite movie of all time.
Oh,
You can think
Matrix.
about it. Oh, you know straight.
Yeah.
Okay, Matrix it is then. And the last one is most played artist on Spotify.
Ooh. The Weekend.
I thought so. Or Imagine Dragons, that's what
Oh
I was
yeah,
thinking as well.
vice versa.
All right.
Either of them works.
Perfect. Okay, well, let's go into the questions. First things first, I would
Yeah.
love for you to kind of introduce yourself a little bit, your life story, career story,
Yeah.
and how did you kind of even end up at Oakslap?
While I was studying statistics and computer science, I was more learning about programming itself, and I was kind of curious to build things. So that's how I kind of started.
And so how long have you been in Prague right now overall?
At Prague has been 3 years.
Got it.
But working with Oaks 4 years. There's here and there COVID times, moving back and forth, but yeah.
So I hope that Prague is really treating you well.
Oh yeah, definitely with the food, with people, with atmosphere.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Amazing. Okay, so maybe looking back, how was working or how is working Oakslap influencing your career overall from your perspective?
Yeah, well, definitely right now it's in a positive way, like in every parts of the things I do. There are times it's challenging, there are times that is pushing you, sometimes you feel like pushed, but it's not in a bad way for me. It's just right now, the chances I was able to get, and especially when I mentioned the tech lead chance that I was able to get within the company, that really changes the perspective what I do day to day, and gives me different things to do and different challenges to solve. You might not have this challenge or chance, other companies maybe, it depends where you're working, but that's a place, like this is a place where I had this, so it gets me growing. At the same time I'm learning. It's not that, oh, I'm a perfect tech lead or whatever. I'm looking for feedback. That's one of the things I learned again and again. Hey, give me a feedback. Hey, what do you think about this? So these are things that I'm able to get within the company. So it helps me grow into my, not just like hard skills, like engineering skills, but like soft skills as well, because 80% of the job we do for me is just like talking to people, handling people, and basically soft skills involved in this. Even if you're doing engineering, while communicating or doing code reviews with people or doing pair programming with people, you need to have this soft skill to reach out to people.
That makes sense. How else would you describe the Oakslap culture?
It's definitely people coming from togetherness, and it's about building products. It's about enjoying what you do. And one of the things I like, because I don't walk in every morning to the office or open my computer just for, that's work. I just came here, hey, like there's some stuff we need to handle. There's things we need to solve. And we do it, us loving this, and all together, again, comes back to all like togetherness again and again.
And so if you would have to name one trait, to wrap it up, to basically say, okay, this is the one trait that if you have, you will most probably be successful at Oakslap. Which one?
I would say drive, because drive is really important, because company can drive you till some point. If you don't have your own drive, it's really tough to,
drive, right?
internal drive, like your own self, like what motivates you, that something you need, well, in general, something that's you need to wake up. And if that kind of aligns at least at some point with Oakslap, building products, building startups, or learning new things, improving things, that would really work well. For me, from my experience, it worked really well.
All right, well, thank you so much. That was it.
Great.
That is
Thanks
it.
for having me.
No more questions, so thank you so much for being here. And just on top of it, again, I just really want to thank you for being absolutely amazing. and
Thank you so much for
everything
having me,
for the
being here,
Yeah.
and yeah,
All right.
thanks.
Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. See ya.